Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what the label says. Shirts, some men's shirts. Okay, let's fold it up. This is what it looks like. Has some buttons here. It's just all buttons. Okay, it's like a t-shirt kind of material. No pockets, anything, no branding anywhere that I can tell. And we have this here. And that's it. You could just use one. That's okay. That's it. So if you're interested in this shirt, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video. I will see you next time.